Can you solve this? Let's solve this question. Solution: 4x minus 2 is equal to what? 40. First of all, let's put this in what? Indices. 2 raised to power 2 bracket x minus 2 is equal to what? 40. Now indices: a m bracket n, same thing as a m times n, right? So this one now comes 2 bracket x minus 2 equal to 40. This now we are going to put in logarithm. So log on both sides, log 2 raised to power 2 x minus 2 equal to log 40. Now logarithm: log a raised to power b is same thing as b log a. Let's put it here. So this becomes 2 raised to power x minus 2 log 2 is equal to what? Log what? 40. Now divide by log 2. 2x minus 2 is equal to log 40 over log 2. We divided both sides by log 2. This one will cancel this one, right? Now we have log 40 and log 2. So let us open this 40. This 40, it can be divisible by 4. It can be divisible by 2. Let's open this 40. I have 2x minus 2 is equal to log 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. I am breaking it down so that I can cancel it with these 2, right? This 40 can be multiplied. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5, 40. All divided by what? Log 2. Now we also have log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. We're going to apply it here. So 2x minus 2 is equal to log 2 over log 2 plus log 2 over log 2 plus log 2 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2. This is it. Every multiplication here becomes addition. You can see it. We just brought it down here. So definitely this will cancel out, this will cancel out, this will cancel out. So we now have 2x minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. We have 3 plus log 5 over log 2. Now we have this rule. Log a over log b is the same thing as log b a. Are we good? We're going to apply it here. So 2x minus 2 is giving us 3 plus log 2, 5. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2. 2x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2. We're divided both sides by 2. This will cancel out. Now left x minus 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2. Right? We're going to add both sides by 2 to get x. So x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2 plus 2. These are going to collect like terms. We can't add this to this log because they are not alike. So this will be x minus So this will give us x is equal to 3 over 2 plus 2. The base is 2. 3 plus 4 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2. It gives us 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This is the answer. The answer is what? 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. First of all, started by breaking it down, the indices, and then adding log. When we added log, we broke 40 so into 2 so that we can divide them. And this is what we did. We used the multiplication rule that log a times b is equal to log a plus b. After we broke it down, different log, we divided, it gave us 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Another log reading, when log a divided by log b is give us log a base b. So that's what we did. We converted this into this. Then we divided both sides by 2. And it left with x minus 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 over 2. We divided everything here by 2. After we've divided them, we're left with x minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal to what? 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Now we're coming here, we're going to add everything by 2 so that this x will be left alone so we can find our x. So x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 plus 2. Now, we can't add this to this because they're not alike. We're going to take the like terms. So 3 over 2 plus 2. Denominator is what? 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 1 times 3, 3. 2 divide, 2 divide, here is the divisible one here. The divisible one here. 2 divide 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This is the answer. 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. Thank you.